Grade 9 class. It's going to be a very quick lesson on the grammar that is in this unit. On page 84, in your books, you'll notice at the bottom of the page, they talk about the subject plus wish plus subject and the addition of was, had, or could. So those are past tense handles. So an example is, he wishes he was rich. I think that pretty much shows it right here. He wishes he was rich. I think it's pretty easy for the vocabulary in this section, but there is a vocabulary builder in your workbook, and it talks about the cotton, jazz, voodoo, plantation, everything that we learned from this last unit. Now the second page is page 85. Now this is whether to use who or which. It's a show. So when it says a show, you know that it's not a person. And when it says something like Eva or another name, then you know it's going to be a who. That's pretty much how you can tell. Now on the last part, it's must have been and can't have been. And you have to decide which to put into the grammar exercises. 96 in your book also has an extra lesson on this. I don't think anyone, maybe one or two of you, will not understand these three grammar points. This one is probably the easiest because you can see which or who. So it's Eva who did lessons live. So you can see that did and did here is the past tense. It's a show. So this describes the show, which features alligator hunters. You know that it's a thing that you have to evaluate. He wishes he was rich. I think that you just have to follow the sequence of this if you don't understand it. Overall, I don't think there's any. I really don't think there's any surprises here. Yeah, that's it. Just match up your workbook. So in your workbook, if you really think that it's too hard, there is a workbook section for maybe those couple of the kids in the class that maybe need the extra help. And that's on page 96 and 97 inside your workbook. Yeah, that's it for today.